Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Modern black and glass house by the river. The house is a striking example of modern minimalism. Its compact form is clad in a sleek black exterior, creating a strong visual contrast against the lush greenery of the riverbank. The roofline is flat and clean, emphasizing the horizontal lines of the architecture. A focal point of the facade is the expansive glass front door, which offers a seamless transition between the interior and exterior spaces. The door is framed by a thin black metal frame, further accentuating the minimalist aesthetic. The front lawn is meticulously landscaped with a combination of native grasses, low-lying shrubs, and perhaps a few strategically placed accent plants. The garden is designed to complement the house's modern look while providing a soft, natural counterpoint to the hard lines of the architecture. A minimalist gravel pathway leads to the front door, adding a textural element to the space. The house's proximity to the riverbank creates a dynamic relationship between the built environment and nature. Large floor-to-ceiling windows offer panoramic views of the river and the surrounding landscape, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. Overall, the exterior design of the house is a harmonious blend of modern elegance and natural beauty. It is a home that seamlessly integrates with its environment, creating a serene and sophisticated living space. Interior design, modern minimalism with river views. The interior of the house is a seamless extension of its minimalist exterior. An open floor plan maximizes the feeling of space and light, while large windows offer panoramic views of the river. The color palette is predominantly neutral, with whites, grays, and blacks dominating the scene. Accents of natural wood and touches of greenery bring warmth and texture to the space. The flooring is typically a smooth, polished concrete or large-format porcelain tiles, contributing to the clean and modern aesthetic. The living area is defined by its simplicity. Comfortable, low-profile furniture upholstered in neutral fabrics is arranged to maximize the view of the river. A statement piece, such as a minimalist sculpture or a piece of modern art, can add a touch of personality to the space. The kitchen is sleek and functional, often featuring a minimalist island with integrated appliances. The cabinetry is typically flat panel and handleless, maintaining the clean lines of the overall design. Natural light floods the space, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Bedrooms are havens of tranquility. Minimalist furnishings, plush bedding, and soft lighting create a serene sleeping environment. Large windows offer stunning river views, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. Bathrooms continue the minimalist theme with clean lines, natural materials, and a focus on functionality. Large format tiles, glass shower enclosures, and freestanding tubs are common features. Throughout the house, the emphasis is on creating a sense of calm and order. The interior design is a reflection of the house's exterior, with a strong connection to nature and a commitment to modern aesthetics. Reasons to design a modern black and glass house by the river. 1. Maximizing natural light and views. The expansive glass doors and windows allow for an abundance of natural light to flood the interior, creating a bright and airy living space. The riverfront location provides breathtaking views that become a focal point of the home. 2. Seamless indoor-outdoor living. The large glass doors blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, creating a seamless flow between the living space and the natural surroundings. This enhances the connection with nature and expands the living area during warmer months. 3. Low-maintenance exterior. A black exterior requires minimal upkeep compared to other materials, such as wood or paint. This allows homeowners to spend more time enjoying the house and less time on maintenance. 4. Modern aesthetic. The combination of black exterior, glass doors, and clean lines creates a striking and contemporary look that appeals to those who appreciate modern design. 5. Energy efficiency. While black can absorb heat, proper insulation and window treatments can help mitigate this issue. The focus on natural light can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, contributing to energy efficiency. 6. Privacy and security. While the glass doors offer stunning views, they can also be a privacy concern. However, with the addition of blinds, curtains, or tinted glass, privacy can be maintained while still enjoying the natural light. 7. Riverfront lifestyle. Living by the river offers a unique lifestyle with opportunities for water-based activities, such as swimming, boating, or fishing. The house design takes advantage of this by providing easy access to the river and maximizing the river views. By combining modern architecture, natural materials, and a focus on indoor-outdoor living, this design creates a harmonious and sophisticated home that complements its riverfront location. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.